kanyo ni chenro mago mag thieth nobedo kod ng'ikruok e kaunti mano ma Homa Bay banka Nases ne jobago Ong'Anyo ka giwacho ni gintiere kod ng'ur mago mathoth ma bende pok ochop kare. Moko kuom ng'ur mago ma bende Nases go nitiere godo oting'o medo rang'iny Nases mago ma bende romo 200 chopo kare winjruok mano ma bende ne gibedo godo kod piny owacho mano ma kaunti ma Homa Bay ka achiel kod ndiko e tich Nases mamoko ma bende romo 100 duto te.
Our strike for industrial action has officially kicked off today, the 30th of March 2026, and we will remain on strike until the following demands are met. We are saying until you pay the salary arrears and the gratuity, do not even dream of inviting us to a negotiating table. We will not come. That going forward, we've been taking for a ride for quite a long period of time. And we are saying enough is enough. Punda amechoka. We know you have a plan of going to court. I want to pose this question to you. Do you want to take nurses to court because they have asked for their salary arrears and gratuity? You mean you want to take nurses to court because they have asked you to promote them? You mean you want to take nurses to court because they have asked for a designation? Do you mean you want to take nurses to work to court because they have asked you to employ additional 100 nurses? We are saying set your priorities right so that the Homa Bay County nurse can get the much right they deserve. We know we are in a developing country with limited resources. But if we go as per the WHO standards, Homa Bay County needs to recruit additional 2,500 nurses. But because of the limited resources we have, we are only asking for 100. And it is not something we are raising for the first time. Remember, it is a return to work agreement we signed last year, January, that indicated they were supposed to employ 100 nurses this financial year, which is ending on 30th of June, 2026.